Nature Spy, written by Shelly Rotner and Ken Kreisler. Photographs by Shelly Rotner. I like to go outside to look around and discover things. To take a really close look, even closer and closer. My mother says I'm a curious kid. She calls me a nature spy. Sometimes I look so closely I can see the lines on a shiny green leaf, or one small acorn on a branch, or seeds in a pod. I notice the feathers of a bird, or the golden eye of a frog. When you look closely, things look so different, like the bark of a tree or an empty hornet's nest, the seeds of a sunflower, or even a rock. Sometimes there's a pattern, like ice on a frozen pond, or a spider's web, or a butterfly wing. Everything has its own shape, color, and size. Look closely at a turtle's shell, or a dog's fur. Or even raspberries, or kernels of corn. No matter where you look, up, down, or all around, there's always something to see when you're a nature spy.